Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best blender available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. If you are looking for a blender, which you can use in deep pitchers and pots, then you got to buy the best Immersion blender consumer report because no other product can match the features of an Immersion blender. To help you with your quest for the most suitable Immersion blender, we have compiled a list of 10 best Immersion blenders. So let's start by number 5. KOIOS HB2050 Hand Immersion Blender. The Immersion hand blender with 12 speeds, 6x2, plus turbo function blends endless culinary delicious. It has 800W powerful low-noise heavy-duty copper core motor handles versatile blending tasks effectively. Includes stick blender shaft, stainless egg whisk, 500ml chopper bowl, 600ml mixing beaker, perfect for making baby food, smoothies, soups, mayonnaise, meringue, chutney, salsas, crepe batters et. Dishwasher safe and BPA free. Number 4. Bella Hand Immersion Blender 14460. This 2-speed immersion blender features a powerful 250-watt motor and a 6-inch blending shaft. Blend, whip, chop and puree directly into tall pots and pans. Perfect for the smaller kitchen, this handheld blender includes durable and removable dishwasher-safe stainless steel blade system and whisk attachment. Ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Number 3. Braun MQ505 Multiquick Hand Blender. Power bell technology, durable stainless steel blades and unique bell-shaped blending shaft for fast and finer results. Easy click ensures all attachments can be removed with one simple click. Soft grip handle for comfortable use and 20-ounce beaker and whisk attachment included. Number 2. Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. Bell-shaped base, revolutionary shape plus internal ribbing reduces the suction for greater control and efficient blending. Ergonomic pistol-like control grip with trigger operation. 8 inches immersion depth for large quantities or tall pots. Non-scratch base to prevent scratching pots. Number 1. Muller Austria Ultra Stick Immersion Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition.